What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Trias here, and as we can see, it does look as though things are going very, very well indeed. Obviously we had that big run up at the start of the year, where Trias went up to around $32-ish as that all-time high in May. Quite clearly, obviously, with a lot of cryptocurrencies, pretty much everything had that massive crash all the way down to the bottom of July. Trias coming down to around $2.50, which is obviously a massive drop. But we did start to see that breakout of that descending wedge, obviously coming back up here to around $10, $11. Big psychological resistance, we would say. And then obviously a bit of a correction going through September on our daily time frame here. You can see we kind of got that A, B, C correction there with the overextension that we saw for a lot of cryptos. There was a lot of bullish divergences in this area where we did see the bounce. We break out of this bearishness again going into October. Pretty much everything starts to pick up. We get that higher high, higher low. And now we've got that new higher high here. You can see making our way back up to that all-time high. With a local high of around $15 there. Currently having a bit of a rollover today, obviously with Bitcoin looking quite bearish indeed. But overall, Trias looking very good. Indeed, making its way back up towards that all-time high. And you can see here, if we just throw our Fibonacci retracement on, you can see how well these levels are being respected here. Pulled from high to low on that recent move. We come up, resistance here. We break through resistance, consolidate above this previous resistance. Testing the next resistance here, flipped into support, but we roll over. We just range in between the 0.38 and the 0.50 for a long time here. Holding it as support all the way along here. Looking really good, holding support very nicely. And then you can see just how well these levels are being respected. We come up again, resistance. We come up, retest as support, and then obviously we blow it away. We blow through also the 0.618 here, and we actually make ourselves a nice, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then we back test support for 4 or 5 days here on the 0.618. The 618 being a very key Fibonacci retracement level. We come down, we test it as support, lovely. And then obviously we come up, we make that new local higher high that we were looking for. Obviously, as we said, having a bit of a rollover today, currently trading at $13.31. But overall, Trias looking like a really strong contender right now to be, potentially exploding very soon. Looking very strong overall, we would say. Just taking a look at the hourly time frame, you can see just how well these levels are being respected here. You can see support all the way, resistance flipped into support. We had that overextension to the downside, one last sweep of the lows. We have that big pump up. We come down, we test support on the 618. We find support in this area. We have another pump up towards this level here. And obviously we've been rolling over because of Bitcoin. But overall, Trias looking really strong. And it really looks as though it is looking to basically get some continuation to the upside. And you could say, if you're looking at something potentially like this, where you were kind of forming that coiling formation, you come up, you come down, you come up, you come down, and then you're actually getting that breakout now. You could be looking at potentially, having a nice little move for Trias to the upside if that's the case. So obviously we've got a lot of technical patterns here that look as though they are playing out quite nicely. We've obviously got these big descending wedges, and when you break out of them, the technical target is the top of where you formed it. So obviously we are targeting this all-time high at around $32, and we're getting towards it. It's still around a 2x to that price from the current price, but it looks as though we are making our way up our Fibonacci levels quite nicely here. And we do think, considering how strong the fundamentals for Trias are, along with the fundamental bullish news coming, and obviously with alt season, really starting to pick up over the past week or so, Trias is a really, low market cap project that could potentially be having a really big move soon. So we'll just wrap things up then and keep it short and sweet. Obviously, if we roll over here, we've got the 618 as support at around that $12 level. If we have some kind of deeper correction as well, these previous swing highs at around $10.40 would be a good level of support as well, coinciding nicely with our, our EMAs coming up as well, which could scoop the price action up for the next pump. But, you know, overall, we do think things looking bullish, and probably over the next week or so, we're probably going to be looking at heading up towards this 0.78 level at around $18.35. And then obviously beyond that, we are looking for that all-time high at $32. And I mean, these Fibonacci levels tell you all you need to know, really. That 227 extension on a low market cap gem, in our opinion, at around $800 there. That would essentially be around, what is that? Almost 100x. Basically almost a, you know, it's something like 60, 70, 80x potentially from the current price. And you do think with something with such a low market cap, the potential is there to have a really big run up. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.